Hello children, so today we are going to discuss chapter 9 of class 8, that is algebraic expression and identities. In this video we are going to discuss addition of algebraic expression. We know that if we want to add any two algebraic expression, we only add the like term with each other. So first thing, in addition of algebraic expression, we have to arrange the algebraic expression such a way we are going to write the like term below to other. So we have to arrange like this so that like term is going to be below to each other. So let's discuss the addition of algebraic expression by one example. Suppose I am taking any two algebraic expressions. So let's take algebraic expression like I am taking 7x square plus 3xy plus 2x plus 11y, okay, and the second algebraic expression, suppose I am taking like 4xy plus 2y. So these are the two algebraic expression. We want to add it. So first we have to write the first algebraic expression, like I am writing the first algebraic expression as it is given. So it is 7x square plus 3xy plus 2x plus 11y. Okay, now we have to arrange this algebraic expression in a such a way the like term are going to be right below the other like term. Like here we have first term for this expression is 4xy. So here we have coefficient a variable xy. So it going to be like term with the variable xy only. So this 3xy and 4xy are the like term. So we have to write this with each other. So here I am going to writing 4xy. Here the variable is xy and xy. Okay, so same variable are going to be write with each other. Now second term for the second expression is 2y. So here we have variable y. So this is the 11y and 2y are the like term. So I have to write this here with this, so that like term are going to be with each other. Okay, only these two terms are in second expression, so we already arranged them. So let's write. Other places are vacant, we can write 0 or nothing, it doesn't matter. So let's add it. So whenever we have to add, here we are going to add one by one with each other, like term with each other. So these are the like term. So 11y plus 2y. If we add 11y plus 2y, then what we get? Of course 11 plus 2 is 13, so we get 13y. So here we can write 13y. Of course it is plus. Then we have 2x plus 2x. We have nothing, means we have 0. So 2x plus 0 we get plus 2x. Now come to this. Here we have 3xy plus 4xy. So 3xy plus 4xy is what? It is plus 7xy. And the last is 7x square. We are going to add with nothing. So we get same as 7xy. X square. So this is going to be our solution. Okay, so it's simple. Whenever we have to add any algebraic expression, we are going to add like term with each other. Okay, I am taking one more example for addition of algebraic expression. Suppose I am taking another algebraic expression 4xy minus 2x minus 7y minus 11. And the second algebraic expression we have like minus 2xy minus plus 4x plus 7. Okay, these are the two algebraic expressions. So let's write first the algebraic expression. We're going to write like this: xy 4xy minus 2x minus 7y minus 11. Okay, now second algebraic expression we have to arrange with like term. So first term is minus 2xy. xy is a variable. Here also we have xy variable, so we must write this minus 2xy with this only. So I'm going to write here minus 2xy. Now the second term for the second expression is plus 4x. So here we have variable x. So of course 4x is going to be like term with minus 2x. So I'm going to write with each other. So like this. Now the third term for the second expression is plus 7. Plus 7 is like term with minus 11. So here I am going to write plus 7. Okay, this place is vacant. We can write 0 or nothing. So let's add. Whenever we add minus 11 plus 7, what we get? Minus 11 plus 7. Of course, we get minus 4. Okay. So what we can write here? We have to write minus 4. Now minus 7y plus 0 means same number we get, minus 7y. Now minus 2x plus 4x minus 2x plus 4x. Okay, of course we get plus 2x. So here we get plus 2x. Okay, and at last 4xy minus 2xy. So 4xy minus 2xy, we get plus 2xy. So this is our solution after addition. So it's simple. Whenever we want to add any two algebraic expression, we have to add the like term with each other. For that we have to arrange it. Of course its arrangement is very easy. We have to write each like term of the second expression below the like term. Okay, like here we have variable xy, so I write the variable xy below this variable x. We have nothing like term with y variable, and this one is also like term. So after that it's simple addition. So that's all for addition of algebraic expression. In next video we are going to discuss the subtraction of algebraic expression. Thank you.